Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to easily open your Audi A4 glove box. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few seconds. First, locate the small release handle, typically found on the passenger side dashboard, directly above the glove compartment itself. Once you've found it, simply pull the handle gently towards you. The glove box door will then unlatch and swing downwards, providing full access to its contents. It's designed for quick and convenient storage. Sometimes, a glove box might seem stuck or difficult to open. A common reason is an obstruction. Make sure no items inside are pressing against the latch or preventing the door from swinging freely. Also, check for any small debris that might be caught in the latching mechanism. A quick visual inspection can often reveal the problem. If it feels stiff, a gentle, firm push on the door before pulling the handle can sometimes help reseat the latch, allowing it to open smoothly. Once open, your Audi A4 glove box provides a convenient storage area. It's perfect for keeping important documents like your owner's manual, registration, and insurance papers. You'll often find a small light inside, illuminating the contents for easy visibility, especially at night. Additionally, some Audi A4 models are equipped with a cooling vent, allowing you to keep small beverages or snacks cool on longer journeys. It's a versatile space for your essentials. To close your Audi A4 glove box, simply push the door gently upwards. You should hear a distinct click as the latch engages, indicating it's securely closed. Always ensure the latch is fully engaged to prevent the door from unexpectedly opening while driving. Never force the door shut, as this can damage the latching mechanism over time. A smooth, gentle motion is all that's needed for a secure and proper closure every single time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.